Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials so the fix works smoothly. Make sure your device is online and updated. Outdated software can block verification. Once done, gather your Apple ID email, the trusted phone number, and any recovery key you saved. These let Apple verify you. If you don't have the recovery key, prepare a second device or a computer to receive codes. Start the process now from Settings or Appleid. Apple. COM to trigger the unlock flow. You'll now run the unlock sequence. This is where control is regained. Sign in on your device's Apple ID screen or add Appleid. Apple. COM and follow prompts to unlock. Entering a verification code typically completes it. If you don't get codes, choose Account Recovery. The system asks for identifying details and starts a secure wait period to confirm identity. Be patient. Account recovery can take hours to days while Apple verifies you. Make sure once you regain access, immediately change your password and review trusted devices and contact methods so this won't repeat. Enable two-factor authentication if it isn't on. That prevents future lockouts. If the account remains disabled after recovery, sign out of all devices and sign back in, and make sure your system time is correct. If nothing works, contact Apple support. Have your device serial and proof of purchase ready so they can verify ownership and complete the restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.